Surrounded by mountains and hills, Northern Shan State is a peaceful and pleasant place with cool climate. It is home for the Meowzi of Hmong, who are the sub-tribe of Shan nationals. They live in the villages of Kwanlong district. Being an ethnic minority group, the customs, traditions, and lifestyle of Meowzi are little known to others. Since before dawn, a Meowzi family is up and the kitchen comes alive. What are they cooking for? Their main livelihood is farming and they are getting ready to go to the farm. Meowzi or Hmong family is generally big, but they work hard together. The children are obedient and help their parents in the farming. They live in a remote area which is underdeveloped, so the kids have poor access to education. They spend most of their childhood simply by helping the family. When they grow up, they just carry on this farming business and support the family. When the first morning ray appears, off they go to the fields. Each family has many kids. They bring some of their children with them and leave the rest at home with the grandparents. The Meowzi mainly depends on agriculture. They do cultivation individually or collectively.
Lì thì giá chủ thiệt thì mình nhớ tàu nào giá thì bị bao giờ mua qua thì trâu tiền thì giá chủ mua cho bao tiền trả lưu cho chi thì giá thì bị mua cái sự là giá chủ trâu tiền mua là chỉ bao tiền lưu là.
They take a lunch break in the afternoon and have their lunch together, and then resume their work. Towards the evening, when they finish their work, they go home bringing the firewood and vegetables they have gathered. Through the way they work, one can see how hardworking and healthy they are and how they go through their daily life. The hilly region where they live is blessed with a cool weather and fertile soil. The crops grow well. Apart from paddy and maize, they also grow sugarcane and other vegetables. In addition to cultivation, they go hunting and do livestock breeding, so they don't need to worry for their basic needs. The Meowzi or Hmong are Mongoloid people. They are also the minority ethnic group of Shan nationals. They mostly settle in Kwanlo and Kameng regions in the northern Shan state. They also spread to live in Nao Cho, Hopan, Lao Kai, Mogo, Mai Nao, and La Shou. Meowzi or Hmoob traditional costume for ladies is unique in design and colorful with accessories. It enhances the beauty of a Myeong girl. She is now getting ready to go to the festival in her traditional costume. To fully dress up, she can't do it alone and definitely needs a helping hand.
Tại sao我别我白脑渣他我就我冲的也比查理的冲浪那的比较宽那也比较酷那嘛比阿塞多但能那里 pro 地那是报道那是厉害也比查理的莫斯酷也đi mà sơn đi bé mua nâng gạo trâu là bị xả đi chảo lục khu đâu là để xả rong gạo trông là sơn nâng gạo trâu hay chảo lục khu đâu là để xả rong gạo tha.
Traditionally, Meowzi or Hmong ladies have to dress up from head to toes, and it's hard to do it alone. It also takes a whole year long, making a complete set of traditional dress for Meowzi girl. It is purely handmade and thus valuable. The sleeves of the girl's dress are striped in patterns and colorful. It represents the spectrum formed by the sun ray. And they wrap colorful ribbons one after another carefully around their waist, which takes time and patience. It is indeed a ceremonial dress for them. Lao Kai village is in Kwanlo district of Kameng region, Shan state. The villagers are now celebrating the Christmas celebration. During Christmas, the Meowzi, who practice Christianity, go to the villages where the festival is held, and they celebrate it joyfully the whole day and the whole night. The Meowzi live in the place amid the ridges, waterfalls, and natural springs. On the tree-clad hillside are their traditional houses. Using the building materials such as wood, bamboo, and thatch available from forest around. They build their traditional houses on the hillside. Nowadays, the traditional houses can rarely be seen. They also make their household materials by themselves using wood and bamboo. Natural springs are abundant in the hilly areas. They are the source of water for Meowzi to drink or use in cooking. Majority of ethnic groups in Myanmar have a tradition in common, that is, they wear the cloth that they weave on the loom. Meowzi Hmong people create a traditional loom of their own, and it is different from others. At the weaving time, neighbors and family gather together and work together happily. It is a lovely custom of Meowzi Hmong people. It takes time for about a year and good needlework to sew the traditional dress of Meowzi ladies. Flower patterns are embroidered on the top and at the lower parts of the skirt. Their traditional costumes are well designed and thus beautiful and dear. They do embroidery during their spare time. Meowzi girl puts on a headdress, a long-sleeved dress with a waistcoat on top. They wear knee-length skirt with colorful ribbons around the waist and wrap a piece of white cloth around their legs. In the colorful traditional dress, they look attractive and it matches their lovely faces. Meowzi men wear a long-sleeved shirt and a waistcoat on top and trousers. The dominant color of their costume is black. The Meowzi are followers of Buddhism, Christianity, and animism. This family has been worshipping for the nut spirits for generations. First, they pay respect to their ancestors by offering joss sticks, and then to the sky and the earth. It is followed by an offering ritual at the front door for the family's good health and safety. This is a typical ritual of a Meowzi family.
叫个那个接楼呢嘛，人都拉比来就好嘛是的。我nhà cha mua cho tụi nó làm cha tàu nào cha tàu sữa bị chết lại thì bị mót nó là phụ thì nhà cha nó chuẩn năng cao cho lông nó mà hả thì bị chết lại cho mà bao cho bị ý gì thì nhà cha sẽ thì cha phát tụi nó dùng cha tàu nó bị chết lại họ mà hả tàu la mà做生根嘛哈做生根好嘛是那就是为鸡毛坑毛坑的比木开到比利师傅就个走帮别玩弄啊一到帮别晒的到我做莫比利这烧帮别烧着那的จะมวยจุดเรื่องก็ปังไปซ้อจะไปยีก็ลูกก็ยอจะสิ่งจีเนี่ยไปวันนั้น也是好。
要么路下咗特别只么上路，咪有咗个只当成主耶稣这个拯救，不也讲机，那个只路，嘛讲到要么来二分，原来讲成耶稣做要么来一分是，这个这后生嘛，做要么来名字修着好的叫梦。那要做检测个么？要做好，被陆地球Myanmar 那时候地球忙咯，他下就被一种日子，佢真係賺出嚟包嚟咯，真係做檢測。
Meowzi has their own language. In order to preserve it, the language is taught to the kids as well as to the adults.
Nào có nhà bằng khang, cả có tờ cả chuyện tới, nhà cho bị cả một ca. Vì mà xin chị y mà một cái là mình tới, xin chị cho thay xin chị sẽ đi tờ cả môn tới, tờ什么là mình tới mà cho nàng cái cháu môn tới mà bị môn tới mà chuyển cho yêu cho bị thì có thể đi tờ tờ cả cho bị cả một ca na, tờ什么môn tới mà nhau sẽ đi tờ cả, là để cái nông mà chờ na là cũng tới ở tờ nông khang cũng là cả tờ này.
多菜，
到家里还挂路报的。
What attracts the visitors during the visit to the ethnic minorities in the remote areas are their daily lifestyle and food. Their daily meal isn't complete without pickled mustard green. They grow mustard in their compound and make a pickle. To make a pickled mustard green, they put the rinsed mustard leaves into a bowl, Add dry chili, salt and ginger and mix well until the bitter liquid is pressed out. Then they put the mustard into the airtight earthen pot, pressing down as much as they can. Then they leave the pots in the sun for a week. Finally, the pickled mustard is ready to eat. Another dish of Meowzi people is homemade bean curd. The Meowzi are hardworking people. They prepare healthy food for the family with the homegrown fresh vegetables, so they are strong and fit. Now they are having their meal together. The unusual custom of the Meowzi Hmong is that men have their meal sitting, but the women standing. They use chopsticks to have their meal with. New Year Festival is the most significant celebration of Meowzi Hmong people. It is celebrated annually in February. Everyone, regardless of religion, participates in the festival because it represents all the Meowzi Hmong people. Those who have been away come back to celebrate the festival. To serve the guests at the festival, they are making the bamboo bowls. All the villagers give their helping hands in the preparations of the festival. At the festival, they play musical instruments and perform traditional dance happily. Another feature of the festival are the traditional games of Meowzi people. They are spinning top game and Bao game. Through the New Year festival, one can see their unity and how they value and preserve their traditions. In the spinning top game, they compete against the groups from other villages. The spinning tops used in the game come in small size, medium size, and large size. They play with the small one first, next with the medium, and then large one. They play the game with the belief that they win in the game, the business and cultivation of the village will be successful. Bao game is a fun game played between boys and girls. They use fist-sized rattan balls which are painted in different colors. In the game, one group throw the balls to the other group who try to catch the balls. Inside the balls are small tinkling balls. When tossed and caught by the players, they tinkle. It is fascinating to see Meowzi boys and girls in the traditional costume playing this unique game happily. At the festival, every visitor is served with traditional food. Meowzi people value and promote their traditions by holding the New Year festival. They can also see Meowzi men riding the traditional wooden Ferris wheel. It is driven manually at a time with 4 men. Through this festival, everyone can observe the traditional costumes, customs, and games. So New Year celebration is the pride and joy of Meowzi people. Every national race and ethnic group treasures and preserves the traditional music. This wind instrument set is called Gain in Meowzi language. The main flute is made of wood and the rest tubes are bamboo. They play their traditional instrument on special occasions and at the New Year festival. They also play cane at the funeral, but the tune is different. Another wind instrument is called jam. It is smaller and played by Meowzi women. Living in the hilly area while cherishing their ethnicity, the Meowzi of Hmong enjoy their simple life. Their friendly smile is welcoming to the visitors. So the visitors can learn their traditional customs during the visit. A sweet melody is wafting among the hills. It is simply produced from a leaf by an old man who is in his 80s. Sitting by his side is his wife. They are hale and hearty for their old age. This is how they simply relax together in the evening. Their lives on the hilly area is very peaceful. Due to poor transportation access, the land of Meowzi or Hmong in the northern Shan state is out of reach to outsiders, and thus their way of living and traditional customs are little known. With a visit to hilly areas, one will feel welcomed by the friendly smile and refreshed to see Meowzi girls in their colorful costumes. Above all, the visit is worth to observe diverse culture and customs of national races, which will surely promote understanding and friendship in the Republic of the Union of Myanmar.